How one black microbe liquid turned my beds into a fruit factory. The first time I poured this thick, inky liquid onto my soil, I wasn't prepared for what happened next. Within weeks, my plants went from growing fine to exploding with life. Bigger leaves, deeper roots, and harvest so heavy I had to reinforce my trellises. Gardeners on Crop Corner? If you've ever wondered why some gardens practically overflow with fruit while others struggle, this might be the single most important trick you learn all year. Because this black microbe liquid isn't magic. It's science, and it works. The real reason this mixture becomes rocket fuel for plants lies in a single truth many gardeners overlook. Soil is only as productive as the life inside it. What looks like a dark, murky brew is actually a densely packed microbial powerhouse, created from nothing more than compost, biochar, and water. Once these ingredients combine, they transform ordinary soil into a long-lasting, nutrient-rich ecosystem where plants thrive naturally and abundantly. The secret starts with biochar. On its own, biochar is like an empty sponge, full of microscopic pores but lacking life. When you blend it with compost and allow it to steep, those pores become tiny microbial homes filled with living nutrients, enzymes, and organic compounds that keep working long after the first application. This process is often called charging the char, and it's what separates short-term feeding from long-term soil building. Unlike regular compost tea that gives plants a quick but temporary nutrient flush, charged biochar becomes a slow-release fertilizer factory that stays active for months, even years. The science behind this is, beautifully simple. Compost releases nutrients quickly, feeding plants right away. Biochar traps those nutrients, preventing them from washing away and instead releasing them slowly as plants need them. Meanwhile, microbes settle into the char's pores, reproducing underground and continuously improving soil structure. This is why a single dose of the black liquid can influence plant growth for an entire season, and why gardeners often see dramatic increases in yield almost immediately. What makes this technique even more appealing is just how easy it is to create. You don't need fancy pumps or aerators, you don't need expensive tools, you only need a few ingredients that, honestly, many gardeners already have. To make one batch, start with 2 kilograms of compost, or fully decomposed manure, and 1 kilogram of crushed biochar. You'll also need a 5-gallon bucket, a second container, a simple cloth strainer, and 15 liters of clean water. Before handling dry biochar, wearing a mask is wise because the dust can become airborne. Creating the liquid begins with extracting all the goodness from your compost. Pour the 15 liters of water into your 5-gallon bucket, mix in the 2 kilograms of compost, and give it a solid stir. That's all it takes to start pulling beneficial microbes and nutrients into the water. Let this mixture sit for 1 to 2 days, stirring occasionally. Even without aeration tools, the extraction happens efficiently, transforming the water into a nutrient-rich base for your fertilizer. While that mixture steeps, it's time to activate your biochar. Place the 1 kilogram of biochar into another container and fill it with enough water to completely submerge it. This soaking step is, honestly, critical. As the biochar absorbs water, its pores open up and prepare to store nutrients and microbial life. Let it soak for 24 to 48 hours. When the compost infusion and the activated biochar are ready, the magic happens the moment they come together. Pour the hydrated biochar directly into the compost bucket and stir thoroughly. Instantly, the liquid deepens to a rich black color. This is your fully charged microbial fertilizer forming right before your eyes. After mixing, strain the liquid through a cloth or fine mesh. The goal here isn't to remove the biochar, but to get rid of chunks that might clog watering cans or sprayers. What passes through the filter is your smooth, microbe-rich concentrate. The leftover solids aren't waste. They can be added to raised beds, fruit trees, or garden beds as a bonus soil amendment. Before using this powerful concentrate on your garden, always dilute it for safe application. The ideal dilution ratio is 1 part concentrated liquid to 10 parts water. This ensures your plants receive a balanced dose without overwhelming them. Once diluted, pour the mixture around the base of your plants. The microbes begin working immediately while the biochar particles settle into the soil to improve water retention, increase nutrient availability, and enhance overall soil structure. One of the reasons this method produces such dramatic results is the dual approach it allows. Soil feeding gives plants deeper roots and stronger stems, helping them anchor better and draw nutrients more efficiently. But the same diluted liquid can also be used as a foliar spray, allowing plants to absorb nutrients directly through their leaves. A light misting during flowering or early fruiting stages often triggers a noticeable boost in vigor, fruit size, and overall health. The combination of root feeding and foliar spraying is what many gardeners credit for seeing yield increases up to 10 times higher than before. What truly sets this black liquid apart from quick-release fertilizers is longevity. While chemical or fast-acting fertilizers wash away within weeks, biochar remains in your soil season after season. Its pores continue storing microbes and holding nutrients, creating a self-sustaining soil ecosystem. Over time, soil enriched with charged biochar becomes softer, richer, and far more resilient. Plants grown in this environment handle heat, drought, and nutrient fluctuations better than ever. Year after year, the soil becomes more fertile, and your harvests become more abundant. This is why many gardeners, myself included, consider this black microbe liquid one of the most effective natural fertilizers you can create at home. It's powerful, affordable, and incredibly sustainable, and the results speak for themselves. Bigger harvests, stronger plants, healthier soil, and long-term improvement you can feel with your hands and see with your eyes. If you found this guide helpful and want more proven, practical, and powerful gardening methods, make sure you subscribe to Crop Corner. Share this video with your gardening friends and leave a comment below. Your best harvest ever might be one black bucket away.